Mellow softness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sounds of lights. In my restless dreams I walked alone over narrow streets of cobblestone, beneath the halo of a street lamp. I turned my collar to the cold of night. When my eyes were touched by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sounds of lights. And in the moonlight I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never shared, and no one dared disturb the sounds of lights. You fool, said I, you do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you. Take my arms and I might reach you. But my words are like silent raindrops, fell and echoed in the wells of lights. And now the people bowed and prayed to the neon lights they made, and the sign flashed out its warning in the words that it was forming. And the sign said, the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and tenement halls, and whispered in the sounds of lights.